Ever pondered why motorcycles and ATVs stir such a sense of adventure within us? Welcome to a captivating journey into the world of two-wheelers and all-terrain vehicles. To kick things off, one might wonder, what's the fundamental difference between a motorcycle and an ATV? Well, a motorcycle is a two-wheeled vehicle designed for road travel. It's sleek, quick, and perfect for long rides on the open road. An ATV, on the other hand, is a rugged four-wheel vehicle built for off-road adventures. It's the go-to choice for thrill seekers who love to conquer challenging terrains. Moving on, a common query that often springs up is, do motorcycles and ATVs require different types of fuel? The answer is typically no. Both motorcycles and ATVs generally run on regular unleaded gasoline. However, always consult the vehicle's manual or manufacturer for specific fuel requirements. Next, can you ride an ATV on the road like a motorcycle? Well, it depends on where you live. In some regions, it is legal to ride ATVs on public roads, while in others, it's strictly prohibited. Always check local laws and regulations before you venture out. Another popular question is, how often should one service a motorcycle or an ATV? Regular maintenance is crucial for the longevity and performance of these vehicles. A good rule of thumb is to service them every 2,000 to 2,500 miles, or at least once a year, whichever comes first. But what about safety? Are motorcycles or ATVs safer? Neither is inherently safer than the other. Safety largely depends on the rider's skills, awareness, and the use of proper protective gear. Remember, caution and preparation are your best allies on any adventure. Lastly, is it harder to learn to ride a motorcycle or an ATV? The learning curve varies from person to person. Some might find it easier to balance on two wheels, while others might prefer the stability of four. Regardless, practice and patience are key to mastering either. In summary, motorcycles and ATVs are distinct vehicles designed for different terrains and adventures. They generally use the same type of fuel, but always check your vehicle's manual for specifics. Legality of ATV road use varies by region, so always check local laws. Regular maintenance is essential for both types of vehicles, and neither is inherently safer than the other. Learning to ride either a motorcycle or an ATV depends on individual preference and practice. This wraps up our motorcycle and ATV fact. Until next time, keep the spirit of adventure alive and ride on.